Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have an orange or a yellow light that keeps blinking. This means it's trying to enter a Bluetooth mode and sync up to a device. But to get around this, what we want to do is go to our Amazon Fire Stick or TV and turn it off. And leave it off for about 60 seconds. Then go to your remote and then press the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and the left button right here. And we're going to completely reset this. And hold this down for about 15 seconds, and you count out loud 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 15. And once you get to 15, turn the remote around. Then remove the batteries from it. So just remove these batteries, go to your TV and Fire Stick and plug that back in. And then once it boots up to the home screen here, place your batteries back in and then put on the cover. And then what we want to do is hold down the home button. And this is gonna put it back into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you're gonna see this blinking light. And we should be able to reconnect back up to our TV now. So it's gonna blink in the top right just like it was before. And then it should connect back up to our TV. Now after about 3 or 4 minutes of it not connecting or something like that, there's gonna be a message on the screen that says no remote connected. Just tap the home button a few times and then the middle dial button and it should go away. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.